So first you create an account in GitHub and sign in to GitHub using your user account, and visit github.com/cookietech. Here you will be able to see the My Canteen app. This is our repository. The repository is something like a container in which all the code goes, and not like the cloud container like a balti. It's like a plate in which all your code goes, and it keeps saving snapshots of the code so that you can revert back to any initial point, or you can control the versions of the code and you can collaborate with other people. So since we are going to work in a team, and any team source code project usually involves GitHub, so we are going to learn GitHub in the process. Right now I'm just going to show you how to open this project into Android Studio. You all are familiar with this. Start a new Android Studio project in this screen. So what I'll do is, right now I'll just see for it to Android Studio project. So yeah, the folder is empty. Now check out project from version control, go to GitHub, and then they'll ask you your host. That's github.com ravisharfile, and enter the password, and then it will ask you to clone repository. Since I have copied this URL, so it already automatically kind of pasted that URL over here. So connection has been successful. You just log in, and if you are a part of this repository in the contributors, I'll add you once you have made your GitHub accounts, and press clone, and you can simply see. Now it will clone the entire repository, and see, you can see all the everything in the Android view. The Gradle is configuring projects. Let Gradle complete its work. So you can see all the app and manifests and Java files will be there once you download everything. And everything is completed, and the Gradle has finished the build. And now you can see that now let's do a commit. Say suppose just to check if everything is working, what I'll do is add a new activity, because I didn't add a default activity. So new and activity, and I'll add an empty activity and call it a yeah, let's call it main activity. So oh, I'm sorry, this should have been a launcher activity actually. Make sure you kind of check this. Remember, don't ask again, because you would want to automatically add all the new files to Git. Any new files that you create, as you can see, it's green in color because it's been staged. explain to you what staged means soon enough. Yet like see, this is a green file, it means this has been staged, this hasn't been committed yet. Now to see, let's add a simple progress bar. Okay, that's it. And now what we will do is we will just VCS commit changes, commit message, initial commit by Ravish. Once you press commit, your code is being uploaded into the commit. Some files contain problem 1 error and 3 warning for. Now let's review this. Namespace declaration is never used. This view is not constrained, it only has design time position. It will jump to 0 0 unless you add constraints. So we have some warnings, and let's just see if we can change the launcher activity. My canteen. Let's get back to Android view. Manifest, Android manifest, Java. Let's just commit changes for once. Commit. So it commit. Now if you see, you can see the local changes, log console. So first origin master was the initial commit, then initial commit made by Ravish. This was the second message that we set over here. Now if you refresh this, so you'll soon see that one commit has been done over here and one more commit will be done. So once you have committed it in your local log, then you have to go to VCS and so once you push this, push successful. Now you will see that when you go to 1, you see there are 2 commits over here, and this is the second commit, like initial commit by Ravish, and the code has been updated. So this is how we are going to collaborate, and this was a very short tutorial on how to add the project into your Android Studio, and then how to pull the project, pull the files at any point of time, and then make your changes and then push the changes on the server. So this is how it works, and I'll just add you guys to the My Canteen team, and let's see where we can take it from there. Thank you.